Welcome to the Vista Acres Homestead channel. We'd like to thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications button, and if you can, give us a like button. And again, thank you for watching.
Let me show you something. Can y'all see that spider web? She got her pretty good spider web. There goes a chicken hawk. First thing this morning. I don't know if y'all saw that fly through there. That's not a good thing. Alright, I was gonna I gotta use my other tractor because I still got my John Deere over there with the cars. I got 2 more cars to move. Look at that sunrise. Ain't that beautiful? That's one thing I enjoy, getting out here early and getting the chores done. Real pretty sunrises. GoPro had dead battery. Apparently it wasn't GoPro's fault. The charger thing wasn't hooked up. But Maggie and I, we're gonna come down here and we're gonna go try to get the tractor first. Alright, y'all, want to go down and feed the turkeys. They get a high protein food. It's about 23% high protein food. You have to feed turkeys that. Alright, y'all, these chickens here, they're all just chickens. I give them a standard laying pellet.
Woo! Boy, was it a day. The camera didn't work, tractor wouldn't work, but I did get the tractor run a little bit later. You'll see that. Hope everybody has a happy Halloween. I downloaded some Halloween music. When I was looking at some music, they had a Halloween themes. So hope everybody enjoys the video. Hope everybody has a happy Halloween Monday. And again, thank you for watching.
The geese, I feed them the same thing. It's a game bird grower. It's about, I think, 22% protein. Old black chicken, it was a mean. I don't see him this morning. That's probably not a good sign. Something may have got him last night. Maggie ain't flushed him out. So, hey y'all, there's the turkeys. Yeah. There's the turkeys. Yeah, I could probably put 2 more hens in here and maybe 4 hens over there if I had them. I'm gonna eventually get coops built. These cages are gonna move. They're not staying here. No, they're not staying here. Alright. I really need to water the turkeys this morning. I guess I'll do that. Alright, y'all. Maggie. We're not paying you any mind. Go over here and I'll go ahead and take a look at it. Hey, where's the black chicken at? Something get him last night finally? Or did he go up? He may have went up. I don't know. I doubt it. Oh, Kane's getting about 2 years old. Yeah. Oh, Mom's, she still got eggs in there I've got to get out. Can't hard remember everything that's got to be done. So they got food. Oh, they need food too. I'm going to have to feed them this morning. Alright, y'all. I'm going to feed them. See if I can flush out that chicken. Y'all, that's something right there I have to constantly stay on top of, is leaky water hoses. As I've said in the past, water hoses with your livestock is probably one of your best investment, is getting good ones. And even these are good ones. Picked them up at Lowe's. Not a sponsor, but is an employer. But I did pick these up before I even worked for Lowe's. These are really good hoses. They're priced right and they're pretty durable. But still, with any hose, Let me show you here. These little seals, they'll wear out with them, and you got to change them out. And that's what's going on here, because if I forget to turn the water off, imagine that. It's pretty easy for me to do that. This will run all day, and that runs my water bill up. So instead of having to, I know I can't remember to turn the water off every day, so what I try to do is keep these things from leaking. Alright, so let's see what's going on with this one. See what's going on with this one. Let's see if we can get it fixed. Yeah, this is one of them. Apparently I thought I could double seal it. Double sealing didn't work. You can't put two of these in here. It worked. I said I put two in here. I need one in there, and it didn't work. So I'm gonna put another seal in here. See if this seals this thing up. I like these Tractor Supply. Again, not a sponsor, but I do like those seals. This thing worked pretty good. I don't know where them green ones come from, but that's the second one I had to replace this one that failed. Really, you should just be able to hand tighten these things, and they work. All right, I'm gonna go turn the water on, and we'll see if we got that fixed. All right, y'all. Looks like that might be the hose, I'm afraid. I'm gonna have to cut that in. Maybe the hose. I don't like tight, because if you over tighten this thing, y'all, it'll blow that seal out. Right? That did seal it up. Won't be getting that one loose without pliers. So a little bit of maintenance here. Like I say, some of these things, you just got to take care of them when they happen. All right, y'all, this is the brake I was talking about. That thing you got when you park it, you got to set it. It's got a safety switch. It's bad. So for cranks. Cold morning, y'all. Come on, Maggie, get up here. Alright, y'all, that gets everybody moved. Gets everybody fed. Let me show you what difference it makes. These turkeys, they love this grass. They like the grass. Probably gonna eventually, like I say, get this fenced in. I'll probably let these guys, probably gonna let them free range. They've already ate every bit of that food I gave them. Yeah, that's a hen up there on the roost. That's definitely a hen. That's probably a hen there. That and behind her is a tom, That's a hen. Another tom right there in front of us. Yeah. Got a few toms in there. And y'all, the sad thing with turkeys and chickens, if I don't do something with them, they'll end up taking each other out. And that's not a good thing. That's a waste of feed. Waste of feed and money and everything else. So that's when you out process some of them. Alright, should have got this out. I probably broke some eggs. Alright, Maggie, stop. I'm gonna tell you, chickens. The chickens have just stopped laying. I'm not getting any eggs. Not getting any eggs. There's the geese. Now they got them some more clean water. So they happy campers. They got them some grass to eat. Now geese are like the turkeys, as you can see. They eat a lot of grass. They like grass in their diet. If they was free ranging with the other chickens, they would eat a lot of grass. Sure would. Boy, they're eating that, ain't they? They like that. They said, boy, that's good there. That's good stuff. Now, I tell you what, the chickens and them and the turkeys have really kept this pretty well mowed down. Alright, y'all, pool's filled up. And let's go up here and turn the water off. I said he's gonna come over and wash his mouth. Yeah, his mouth's all dirty there. They don't like their mouth to be dirty, so he's gonna come over and you watch. So that is the he. His neck's a lot thicker. I don't know, he's still hungry, so I will explore that grass. That grass is good stuff. Yeah. Got old bug out of there. Well, when they first came here, they wasn't used to Maggie at all. They've gotten used to her. See, there he is, washing his mouth out, washing his nostrils there. And then getting him a little bit of drink of water to go with it. And she's coming up behind him here. She's probably gonna do the same thing. That's why you gotta, that is exactly why you've got to keep these birds some clean water. That was one thing Adam told me. He said, make sure, David, you keep them clean water. Alright, y'all. That gets everything done. Hope y'all enjoyed the Vista video on the old Vista Cruiser. And that gets Sunday morning chores done, so